If you want to move the apps on the home screen of your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. For example, if you have set a specific wallpaper on your iPhone, and if you want to show the character of your wallpaper, for that you might need to rearrange the apps on your home screen. For that, just tap and hold on the app which you want to move, and then drag it to the place where you want to move it to. As you can see, as I have moved this app over here, these two apps have moved backward to fill the space. Now just move them over here and they will not move again. Now just drag the apps and rearrange them as you like. Now after you have rearranged the apps as you like, just tap on done to save. And as you can see, this is how you can move the apps on the home screen of your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.